Oh, that was close. Throwing shit at me now. Cool. He had a hat. Asshole. For real. Alright, he went down. Good boy. Didn't want to use that egg, but had no choice. I'm gonna sell little fishes. Come on up here. Still alive? Come on. You know what? Get my pistol out. Fuck this nigga up right quick. Oh, come on. Well, at least it went down that one shot. Fucker didn't have nothing on him, faggot. Cheap ass motherfucker probably bought that hat with all his money. You can go and take that hat with you. Got a lot of goodies to sell. Got a little ruby. Got little fishies. Got a little TMP ammo. Got TMP sucks. Not gonna sell sniper ammo, cause sniper ammo actually is worth something to keep. Worth keeping. We got spinel. Rotten spinels. Yeah. Almost there, get my Punisher. I think this next area should have little blue medallions. Pop them all. Get free gun. And free upgrade if you pop them all of them. Instead of just, you know, the required amount to get the gun.
Got some rare.
Don't worry, I'm on it. You gonna give me that gun.
What are you buying? What are you buying? What are you selling?
Sell TMP.
Is that all? Thank you. Is that all? Thank you.
What that one at?
Is that all? Is that all?
No, not.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that all?
Said first aid spray.
Thank you. Is that all?
First aid spray for pussies. Fuck that shit.
Thank you.
I like buying shit off you. It gets me off. Yeah, you just jack off in your own time. Don't jack off of me in there. Yeah, fucking orgasm selling shit to him. Don't want that nigga nutting on me. Let's see. Should be something up there. Here we go. Yeah. Hand grenade for me. Change to my flashbangs. Got no little birdies up ahead. Sitting on little graveyard stones. Ooh, yeah, more sniper ammo.
Ahí está.
Yeah, partially thrown at me, but I thought I missed the bird. I don't want to risk it running away on me like a little bitch. Okay, let's kill this hole over here. Kick. Run. Yeah, run to the house, get goodies. Kick and wait. Yeah. Alright, come on, bring it. Bunch of big old babies getting shot in the knee. Don't be a baby over it. You've been shot in the face several times. He ain't moaning now, shooting up in the head, we on the ground. I'm gonna catch this fool. Oh, come on. You die. Wasting my fucking time. Ain't had nothing on you either. Cheapskate. Alright, gonna pop these blue medallions. Pop. Wow, shooting blue medallions get you a free gun. That's cool. Let's see if I can shoot this out of his hand. Oh shit, I fucked up. Okay, try that again. Throw it again. Got it that time. Alright, should be blue medallion over here. Over yonder. Yeah. 11 blue medallions down. Skip scene. I don't want to see Hunnigan. Cause I hate them cutscenes, they suck. What do we got here? Suck a grenade. Incinerator grenades suck. Stay down. Come on, throw it. Throw it. Oh, come on. She should have died too. Should have been dead with him. Fucker. Go enjoy your stupid ass husband. Whoever that guy was. Throwing dynamite. That bitch should have died with him. Well, she did die with him, but now she should have died when we threw the fucking dynamite and I shot. 3, 4, another 4, another 4 again, a 3, a 4. Oh, no, that's it. Okay, yeah. Just need one more. Now, which color is it? I think it's yellow. Yeah, we'll go with yellow. Yeah, next color is yellow. God damn, I'm gonna knock her off. Better give us some money. Give us some money. Get back. Oh shit, I missed. Okay, he missed that time. I can't believe I missed that kick on him. That was funny though. Yeah. Just kicking air. That's all I'm kicking. Go in here. I know it's in here. Dumb snake. Damn, wasn't nothing in that. Boy, if I missed that, man, I've been so embarrassed. Missed something that's so close. Man, I couldn't even see it and I still got it. Still got it. Okay, die now. God damn it. Wasting all my damn ammo and you ain't giving me shit for it? Fuck you. Well, this area should make up for it. Get my flashbang out. Throw it at little birdies. Get money. Yay, that's what it do. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah, that's what we like. Money. Ooh, another flashbang. Money, 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 money. Yeah. Holy shit, somebody outside. Hold on right quick. Alright, it went for me. It was for my old man. Well, they were playing some loud ass music. I thought it wasn't my fucking phone. Glad it wasn't, cause I wasn't going no fucking where. I wasn't going no damn where. Hell, that nigga want some money, better go ask somebody else. Alright, save point. Gonna grab all the goodies around here and save. Ammo, thank you. I appreciate that. Save point, thank you too. I like to save.